Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Microsoft is nearly prepared to declare the general availability of its upcoming Windows 11 version update, named 25H2. Tired of waiting for Microsoft to release Windows 11 version 25H2 via the official Windows Update channel? The official RTM ISO media is now online and can be downloaded straight from Microsoft. Today, in this tutorial, I will show you how to download the Windows 11 25H2 bootable ISO file directly without registering for the Windows Insider program. RTM stands for Release to Manufacturing, indicating that it is the version that Microsoft will distribute to PC manufacturers for pre-installation on new hardware with version 25H2 already installed. Open any browser and search for Windows 11 25H2 ISO. From here, download any language versions of 25H2 for both x64 and ARM versions. Download the ISO file with your preferred language. Now the download process has started, and please wait to finish the download process. After completing the download, you can directly open the ISO file using Windows Explorer and install it. Or you can create a bootable USB disk using Rufus software and install it by booting the PC and doing a clean new install. To create a bootable USB using Rufus, a detailed video has already been uploaded to this channel. Links are provided in the description box. Please check if you don't know about that. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.